Hi everyone, it's Ali from Inspire Accountants. I'm here to guide you through the process of client agent linking. Basically, it's the new process for linking your business, whether it's a trust company, partnership, to your new agent or BAS agent if you are switching. So this process will apply to all entities except individuals. If you are changing BAS or tax agent, this is the process you need to follow to be able to link your business to that new tax or BAS agent. And in front of you here are the steps. I'll be mainly covering steps 2, 4, and 5, and number 6, which is just notifying your agent about the nomination. Before we kick off, it's important to acknowledge that step 1 you'll need to do by yourself, and it's downloading the MyGov ID and setting it up. So make sure you have your IDs ready, such as Medicare, your driver license, your passport, because you will need the strong identity strength to be able to complete this process successfully. So ensure you have MyGov ID downloaded on your phone so you can set it up and be able to kick off with step number 2. So if you haven't done that so far, please make sure that you do it so you have a successful setup. And yeah, once you're ready, you can join back in. And if you've already completed step number 2, you can just fast forward to step number 4 and number 5 if you already linked your business successfully on Relationships Authorization Manager. So the first link that you need to click on is the Relationship Authorization Manager, basically an authorization service that allows you to access the online services on behalf of the business, which is here in step 4. So you need to link your business to be able to access it on the online services for businesses. So if you've got multiple entities, it's important for you to link them all, and I'll be able to show you in a moment. For the person that is able to do this process, they need to be like a trustee, a director of a company, a director of a corporate trustee for the trust, individual trustee. Those sorts of people will be able to complete the step. If that person is not linked to that business, they won't be able to complete step number 2. So make sure that you are linked. Otherwise, you can reach out to Relationship Authorization Manager team, and they'll be able to help you link your businesses if you can't do it in this step. So once you click on this website, this link here, it'll take you to this page, and you have to click on login with MyGov ID. Hopefully you've got that set up right now. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see this page here. Everyone will get a new link, and that would have numbers there, 4 digits that you'll either need to accept on your mobile app or key in the 4 digits on your mobile app to be able to log in successfully. Once you've done that, you will see this page. Under link your business, you want to click on this little arrow. This little notification is going to come up. Make sure you read it and click continue. Then you'll be requested to key in your address. Now, sometimes if your previous accountant or BAS agent hasn't updated your address, make sure that you're using the correct address. It'll be whatever the ATO has on their file. So it could be an older address that you haven't updated yet. So you could try one or two, try your most recent one. And if that doesn't work, go back to the one before that and click continue. Once you've done that, all the entities that you're eligible to link will be listed here. Now, today I am linking Inspire Accountants Pty Ltd. So I've only clicked that, but if you've got multiple entities, you can take those as well and hit continue. Once you've done that, you'll be requested to key in your email address and click send email. You'll be sent a 6-digit verification code to your email. So now it's the moment for you to go to your email and retrieve that code and fill it in this section here. Once you have done that, click verify. Once that is verified, you will see this little message come up called verification successful. Click continue, and then you will be received with this page. Make sure you read the declaration here in detail. So take a moment to pause this video while you're doing it as well. You can simultaneously do the linking process as well as watch the video. So take a moment to pause it. Once you're understood the declaration, click that button over there and click submit. Once you submitted that application, hopefully you'll receive this message, business successfully linked, 1 out of 1. And if you've got multiple, let's say 4 or 5, hopefully that will come up as well. And then you can click continue. Now we have successfully completed step 2, which is linking the businesses to your online services for business, which is now what we're going to do is step number 4. Step number 4 is basically logging into that online services and nominating an agent so they can go ahead and add you to their tax agent portal. So once you click on this website, it will take you to this page. Let's say online services for business. Click login and you'll be received by this page again. Key in your email address. Make sure you click remember me, so that will make it easier for the future. You won't need to key in the passcode or the 4-digit number every time. You may just need to click accept on your mobile app. So click login after that, and you'll be prompted to this page where you'll see the 4-digit code here. You'll either need to accept it on your mobile phone. So take a moment to go through that, your MyGov ID app, and click accept or key in the 4-digit code. If you get any errors where you don't see this come up, the 4-digit code, you may have that. Try clearing your cookies or simply use another web browser. If you're already using Google Chrome, try to switch to Firefox. That might do the trick and you'll be able to log in successfully. Once you've accepted it or key in the code or number, you'll be prompted to select which business to log in. Now, it's important that you do this step for each business. You won't be able to link, for example, in the earlier step when you were linking it, you won't be able to do multiple linking at the same stage. Unlike that one, for this step, you will need to individually log into each business and nominate an agent for each business. So I'm here nominating an agent for Inspire Accountants Pty Ltd. So I'm going to tick that one and click Next. Once you've done that, you will be received by this page. Go to the drop-down menu of under My Profile. Once you've clicked that one, from the drop-down menu, you want to select Agent Details. Once you select Agent Details, it will prompt you to this page, and you'll be able to see Agent Nominations. You want to click Add. It will prompt you to this page. And under this section here, this is when you need to key in the name of the tax or BAS agent you want to nominate. So sometimes tax agents use different company or trust names as opposed to their trading name. So make sure you know what's the name of the agent that the ATO has, because sometimes trading names can be slightly different. In the case of Inspire, you just want to key in Inspire, and it will come up with Inspire Accountants Pty Ltd and the tax agent number 2604543 Fortitude Valley, Queensland. So that's the tax agent that I'm trying to attempt to link today. And for the sake of clarity, this is just an example. I'm trying to link Inspire with Inspire. This is just to show you the process more so than anything else. But if it was a new client of Inspire, what they want to choose is effectively Inspire Accountants Pty Ltd, ensuring the agent number is 2604543 and our suburb is the Fortitude Valley, Queensland. You can just go ahead and select that. And you will be prompted with this message saying, authorize the following agent to add the business as a client or manage additional tax accounts. Nomination expiry. So agents have limited time to essentially accept that nomination. So you want to tick this box here after you've read the declaration and hit submit. Once you've done that, hopefully you receive this message saying agent nomination successfully submitted. This nomination will be active for 28 calendar days. So meaning that us as an agent will have 28 days to add you to our tax agent portal for it to be successful. As of right now, for example, if there was no nomination, we won't be able to add you. Once you've completed the step and hopefully you receive this message, just make sure that you email your agent and let them know that you have nominated them as an agent and they'll be able to add you on their tax agent portal. Ensure you've got all your entities done before you email your agent so they can have the moment to add everyone, make sure they've gone through all the businesses, regardless of their trading or not. You want them to be able to add all your entities into their tax agent portal, because sometimes there might be some obligations that you're unaware of and they'll be able to take care of that for you. So just to recap, in this process, we've completed step number 4, which is the logging into your online services for business. You've successfully nominated an authorized agent, and hopefully after that, you have the time to email an agent to let them know that you've nominated them. I hope this has been really helpful and made this process a little bit easy. and less daunting, because I can understand that it can be quite tumultuous trying to do multiple businesses, and the process can seem quite confusing. Hopefully, this has been helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you need help with this. Sadly, we can't do it on your behalf, but we can guide you if you're getting any errors or you're having any issues. We might be able to guide you to get the help that you need. This page has a lot of information of what to do if you can't add us. But if you want to reach out as well and just let us know, and we can guide you towards the right help that you can get. Thank you.